Good afternoon, everyone. It's a quick video of one of the boats we just rolled out about a month or so ago. It's Captain Matt Kleckner's Stars and Stripes Charters Microdraft Extreme 22 with a Mercury Pro XS 115. Captain Matt's out of town. We're just doing a few tweaks to it, kind of a punch list. Figured I'd do a quick video out here at the ramp. I'm going to take it for a short run. It is November 9th. It is hot as crap here in Florida. Still 87 degrees. Can't wait for winter to come soon enough. So the quick specs on this boat, like I said, it's a Microdraft 22 Extreme Edition. 22 feet long, tandem axle trailer, built by B&S Trailers. Has a Minn Kota 80-pound Riptide trolling motor. Captain Matt went with a tower, a 15-inch step up. Simrad electronics, 12-inch. Mercury Pro XS 115. Dual blade 10-foot blue power poles. Matching Bob's Machine blue jack plate. Action Jack Series 6-inch. Twin Lenco trim tabs. C-Star steering. Makes it ultra smooth. We take our cables through the deck with the cable minders for a clean look. Everything goes up through the rigging tube. All the fuel, jack plate wires, jack plate gauge wires, everything goes through that rigging tube, and then it's dispersed through the engine cowling. Reduces the amount of clutter on the back. The only thing else we have coming through the deck is the hoses for the blades. Pair on each side. Back here you have your three hatches. This is mainly your bilge area. The outer two are bilges, the middle one is electronics and battery. The main disconnect is down there. Not sure if it'll show up. You got your power poles. Pumps in there. Middle rear hatch is mainly for all your life vests, throwables, safety equipment. And the middle hatch, not sure if it's going to show up, it's for your battery, some of your electronics, fuse panels, everything for the rear, power distribution for the front is here, distribution block, fuse block, helm power. We try to take care on the wiring on these, do them as neatly and nicely as possible. Here's your other bilge, better shot of it. Power pole pumps are mounted on the outside. Fuel and water separators on your bilge wall. Captain Matt's got dual 6 circuit blue seat panels. Rigid Industries 6-inch driving light. Marine edition. All the boats come with a 40-quart Grizzly cooler for front seating. You can carry plenty of people on our skiffs. The seating arrangements generally, one person sits on this live well, one person sits on that live well, and you can put another one on the cooler. You can also have people sitting up front on the front hatches here. It's a comfortable 4-person boat. tower is made by Marine Metals in Williston, Florida. They do excellent work up there. This is the helm. Again, Simrad 12-inch. He's also running the Marine Tracks mapping. Excellent, excellent product. If you guys have a Simrad Lowrance B&G product and you are around here or anywhere in the state of Florida or Louisiana now, you know, please check out Florida Marine Tracks, ISLA mapping. Best charts and chips you can buy. Here's the interior of the box. Distribution, got USB plugs, power plugs. We also have under seat storage. For all your knives, whatever you want to store in the back. All the micro drafts are pretty much set up the same. 22s and 20s are identical except for the 2 feet. Dual live wells, insulated, port starboard. Don't ask me the gallons, I've never measured it. This is the front hatch storage. They're all gas strutted, sealed. We also have our optional pouches that mount to the lids, underside of the lids. Really great option for these boats. I mean, you have plenty of ample storage, but you know, it takes some wasted space and makes it usable. You have 8 pouches all together. You can put your leaders, soft plastics, whatever you want in them. Captain Matt also elected to go with a full load of lithium batteries. These are the Relion 50 amp hour lithium batteries. These right here will basically replace any full-size AGM Group 31, Group 27 and give you the same or better runtime. He's running a Power Mania 3-bank turbo 340 P2 charger. That's your ample fishing front deck. Well, I fish on these boats all the time. You can fish 2 people. You can even do 3 if they know what they're doing on these front decks. This is a view from up front. So this is the 22 Captain Matt Stars and Stripes charters. If you're in Crystal River and you want to go fishing, give Captain Matt a call. He's a very good guide. He's a veteran. He supports the veterans. Proud to be associated with him. There's another shot of the Mercury Pro XS, twin blade power poles, 10 footers. Captain Matt has ample rod storage in the back. Got 5 up top, 4 on the bottom, for a total of 9 plus the 3 up front. Again, Bob's Machine Action Jack 6-inch. Also has the low water pickup on these models. And as always, one of our best partners, PowerTech Props, the SWW 4-blade. The best prop, period, for around here and what we use these boats for. So much grip, it's crazy. an awesome boat. If you're ever out in the Homosassa Crystal River area, you see a big red thing traveling around the flats, you'll know it's Captain Matt. It is unmistakable. You can't miss it. Thanks again for viewing. If you have any questions, go to our website, give us a call, come for a test ride. We'll take you out and show you what these boats can do.